Hello students. This session is based on Computer Science Department paper Data Mining and Data Warehousing. In data mining and data warehousing, we can see the topic application of machine language. Where all the machine language used? We can see one by one. ML is the short form of machine language. It is used everywhere. Some common application of machine learning we come across every day are listed one by one below. We may not know we are using machine language in all our daily activities. First, virtual personal assistants. There are many virtual personal assistants such as Siri, Alexa or Google Assistants that we interact with in our daily life. By using this Siri, Alexa, we can talk with them by voice. First, we have to ask them what is my calendar for now, or how is the climate today, or some queries what you can give. After giving queries, it will search for the information in internet and provide you the related information. These assistants can be also trained for specific tasks like setting alarm just by voice. And many smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home are the outcome of it. Next, we can see how the machine learning is used in traffic prediction. Everyone know about Google Maps. It also uses the machine learning to predict the expected time of arrival to the destination where you have to go, and also predict and tells the traffic congestion on the real-time basis. Next, on transportation networks. We all book cabs by using mobile apps like Ola and Uber. These also work by using machine learning, and it estimates the price also by using machine learning. It also predicts the price by using the machine learning. Really, it will be surprising to everyone that our daily activities is based by machine learning of computers. Next, we can see video surveillance. CCTV cameras has become common for video surveillance. The manual monitoring of a camera is very difficult. So to make this job make sense and easier way, machine learning helps to achieve this. Through it, it can detect crime, it can track unusual behavior of people. The system also alert human attendants for suitable response by machine learning. So all our day-to-day activities are made easier through computers. Next, we can see applications of machine learning in social media services. Machine learning plays a vital role in personalizing news feed in order to better advertisement targeting over social media. Even the Facebook you are using uses the machine learning to show new feeds to the user. Facebook continuously take notes of friends that you connect with, the profile that you visit often your interest, workplace through machine learning. And the most popular face recognition feature of Facebook also uses machine language to tag the friends in a picture. So the entire process of Facebook is performed through machine language. Next, email spam and malware filtering. Email spam and malware filters have inbuilt machine learning to identify the spam emails. On the basis of emails, due to inbuilt machine language, it marks clearly as a spam or not, and tells us a mail as a spam or not automatically. Machine language has system security program That means it is inbuilt in it, so it understood the coding pattern and detects the new malware very efficiently and offers protection against them. Next, online customer support. Many sites nowadays have an opinion to talk with them. While doing so, these sites have bots. Bot means a short form of robot, and it is an automated program that runs over the internet and it runs automatically. Using these bots, it provides us an appropriate response to the users. There are some few sites it has live official to answer our questions. So these bots extract data from the site and present to the client to machine language. Next, how machine learning is used in search engine result refining. Even the Google and other engines, that is search engines, use machine learning to improve search results for you. So every time you execute a search, the algorithms at the back end keep a watch on how you respond to the results. And even if you stay on a web page for a long time, the search engine assumes that a result is displayed with the query. Product recommendation. Whenever we make online purchase on websites such as Amazon or Flipkart or similar, we receive mail from them with shopping suggestion. This is also made through machine learning only. As the machine learning takes the basis of our behavior on the website or app or past purchases, items liked, and the brand preference and other such factors, the product recommendations are made only through machine language procedures. In simple way, machine language keeps traces of what we do and suggests us what we like. Next, how it is used on online fraud detection. Machine learning also helps in making cyberspace more secure and tracking monetary frauds online. For example, PayPal is using machine language for protection against money laundering. That means the machine language provides inbuilt codings to protect against money laundering. Next, how it is used in medicine. With the advent of automation, medical records are now available in electronic forms. The machine learning algorithms are helping doctors to understand disease in a better manner by turning the medical records into medical knowledge. Here, the machine language logarithmic use artificial intelligence technology to find solution to the problem in database patterns. Next, how it is used in computational biology. Here the biologists collect large amount of data about human DNA. Here also using the machine language algorithm, it helps them to understand and identify the relation between various genes and human features. Since the machine language uses the artificial intelligence technology, it can direct all the activities of living organism. So it is very useful. Next, handwriting recognition. Machine learning does not only recognize handwriting but also can read different ones. So it is an versatile tool for many applications. It can be also trained to read addresses written in anyone's handwriting. Next, machine translation. We all may come across Google Translate that translate the text between many languages as if it is done as a magic show. This is also available in our smartphones and smartwatches. Behind this also, machine learning technology is only available. It has made the people with different language to communicate with each other. So by using machine learning, communication is made very simpler even if you do not know the language. Really, we may be wondered, all our day-to-day activities are based on machine learning only. Next, driverless cars and autonomous helicopters. Machine learning is used for programs in situations for which it is very difficult to define rules. Yes, it is also used in self-driving cars or autonomous helicopters. So at the last, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence, and it provides system the ability to automatically learn and improve. Thank you.